Hi friends, Miss Petra here, and I am in our Poco music room. Today is Thursday, and I'm just hanging out here because you guys are hanging out at home, and Mr. Gary is at his own house. So here I am with the yellow ukulele. So I am gonna try to play our song, and it is our red light song, because if you see a red light, what does that mean? It means to stop. Yes! If you see a green light, what does that mean? Go. Green means go. And what about yellow? Yellow. Yellow means we move real slow. So if you want to jump, if you want to run, if you want to hop, if you want to twirl, you can do whatever you want. So here we go. Red light, red means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. Let's try that again. Red light, red means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. Can you try hopping? Red light, means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. Do you think you can spin and do it? I don't know if I can, but let's try it. Red light, means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. This time, let's try it really quickly. Well, as quickly as I can. We don't have Mr. Gary here, so we can't go that quickly, but you run, or whatever's safe. Run in place. You run in place like this, okay? Red light, red means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. Red light, means stop. Green light, green means go. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow means we move real slow. Good job! Air high five. Boom. So I will see you next time. I'll be here for some more Poco time. Have a great day. Bye.